Okay, question 2 has given us x squared minus 3, so another rational function over x take 1, and it wants us to find the equations of the asymptotes of the curve. Now, first thing to notice is that this is a top-heavy fraction. The highest power of x is bigger than the highest power of x on the bottom. So in order to start finding out the asymptotes, we're going to need to write this in... we're going to need to divide the x squared minus 3 by the x minus 1. And that's going to give us... Well, let's do it and find out. There are quicker ways to do this. You can work a lot of this out by logic, but if you're not sure, the safest way to do it is this way. I'm going to leave a gap because we might end up with an x term here. And it just helps with the setting out. So x into x squared is x, and then the remaining, so we're going to have x times x is x squared. Take away x, so I can put that in the middle. And then if we subtract that, we're going to get 0, and we're going to get plus x take 3. And if we times x by 1, we'll get x, so then 1 lot of x take 1 is x take 1, which we can subtract, and we will end up with minus 3 minus minus 1 is going to be negative 2. So that's my quotient and my remainder. So y can also be written as x plus 1 take away 2 over x take 1. And that's important because that now tells us everything we need. We can see here that for big values of x, this is going to take control. So when x is large, the graph is going to tend to y equals x plus 1. So y equals x plus 1 is one of your asymptotes. The other asymptote is going to come from here when x is equal to 1. This will not be defined, and that will take over. So the other asymptote is when x equals 1.